Hello everyone, and welcome to today's tutorial. We're going to walk you through the process of filing your GSTR-1 for B2B transactions for the month of January 2025. Let's get started. And if you find this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more valuable GST and tax-related content. First, open your web browser and search for GST logins on Google. Click on the official GST Portal link. Once the page loads, enter your username, password, and the captcha code. Then, click Login. You'll now be on the GST Portal's Welcome dashboard. Scroll down and select a Returns dashboard. Next, choose the financial year, quarter, and select the period, in this case, January 2025. Now click Search. Scroll down, and you'll see the Details of Outward Supplies of Goods and Services GSTR-1 section. Click Prepare Online. Now, select the B2B Invoices section. Click Add Record. Here, you'll enter the recipient's GSTIN. Please ensure the recipient name. Then type invoice number, invoice date, and the total invoice value. For example, let's say the total invoice value is 168 rupees. Next, select the place of supply, POS. Select the correct state. Enter the taxable value, which is the value before GST. Enter taxable value at appropriate GST rate. For example, 138 rupees, the value of supplier tracked GST rate 18%. The system will automatically calculate the CGST and SGST amounts or IGST amount. Click Save. You should see a message confirming that your request accepted successfully. If you have more sales details to add, repeat the process. If not, scroll down and click Back. You'll now see your record details. Click Back again. Now, scroll down and click Generate Summary. You'll receive a message stating that your Generate Summary request has been received. It will take a minute. Scroll to top and then select Returns. Again, choose the financial year, quarter, and the period, and click Search. Scroll down to the Details of Outward Supplies of Goods and Services GSTR-1 section and click Prepare Online. Next, click Proceed to File and Summary. Carefully check the details in the consolidated summary. Scroll down and click File Statement. Agree to the declaration by checking the box, then select the authorized signatory from the drop-down menu. Choose File with EVC. You'll receive an OTP on your registered mobile number or email. Enter the OTP and click Verify. You'll receive an acknowledgement for your GSTR-1 filing, including an ARN, Acknowledgement Reference Number. Download and save this ARN for your records. It's your proof of successful filing. If you are finding these tutorials helpful, please like and share this video with your friends and colleagues. And that's it! You've successfully filed your GSTR-1 for B2B transactions for January 2025. Remember to always double-check your data for accuracy. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below.